Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X researcher and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one is entitled No Real Sun, Holographically Projected Planets and Sky. Now, figure 1 below shows a photograph captured from Florida of a pyramid-shaped cloud in the sky. And for more details, you may look at Article 318 entitled Pyramid Cloud Sky Holographic Project and Planetary Simulator. There are, however, several interesting features in this photograph beyond the obviously artificially shaped cloud. And one of them is this dark line which you see here at the horizon. And the other one is this crescent-shaped object above the pyramid-shaped cloud. So in this photograph, we see this dark line along the horizon, and that, of course, cannot be natural. And it suggests that the sky is a holographic projection. And because the line is dark, it suggests that the real sky behind the projection is dark. Then here we see a close-up of this portion of the photograph where you can see that crescent. And the crescent seems to be surrounded by a semicircular ring. And it's darker than the holographic sky background. You can see it's darker. And it's most likely, therefore, a planet simulation device that appears to be on at the wrong time, as the planets can only be seen at nighttime. There is also a barely visible circular shape beyond the gray semicircle, indicating that this is a disc-shaped device which can be used to produce different sized crescents or whole circles in the sky. By switching on different percentages of the disk, planets of different sizes and in different phases can be simulated in the sky. So a dark line along the horizon suggests that the sky is the product of a holographic projection system, because it's simply not natural to have a straight line along the horizon. There's no land out there when you're looking in this direction, so there's no way you would be able to see a straight line there. And so this suggests that we have a holographic projection system projecting the sky that we see here. But also it's unlikely that any projection system would purposely create a dark line, as the lasers illuminating the holographic plates would produce a uniform illumination everywhere except where no laser light illumination is actually reaching. Thus, any dark portion would most likely arise because no laser light is reaching that spot. This would therefore mean that the sky without the holographic projection would be dark. Thus, this would indicate that the real sun is not illuminating the atmosphere, and therefore that the sky illumination system has replaced the real sun's illumination. Now, if the real sun is not providing illumination because it is not shiny, then there is no light for the other planets in the solar system to reflect, and therefore these would have to be simulated in the sky as well. So in figure 2, we see evidence that planet Earth is being holographically projected in our skies. And this comes from Andrew, the Boogeyman channel. And he was looking at Mars through his telescope. And whilst he was looking at it, it turned into a donut. Now we know that real Mars would not do that. So this suggests that this is a holographic projection as well, or a simulation of the planet Mars. So in conclusion, there's evidence that Earth's skies are being artificially illuminated through a holographic projection system, and that the sky would be dark in the absence of that illumination, because the sun does not seem to be illuminating the Earth's atmosphere anymore. In addition, there is also evidence that planets like Mars are also being holographically projected in our atmosphere. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.